guys, it's Rachel here. I've got my second kit ready with my digital pages that I've created, and I printed it from my PDF, which is A4, and also the from the JPEGs, and I printed them borderless. And I think when I created them legal size, like 8.5 by 11. But when you even I've got an A4 printer, so you can see how they print out regardless whether you have the larger size or the smaller size. So I've also printed them out on presentation paper. I don't know if I said that, so I'll just grab the same one just so you can see the difference. So this is copy paper here, printed from the PDF, and then this is presentation paper. Oh wait, no, so I had two. That's that one. So this one here. Okay, so it's slightly duller on the regular paper, whereas on the presentation paper you get a brighter, crisper sort of color. So this is design number 1. Now I used some of my own. I like to use some of my own things. But I like the letters, the coffee dyed paper. Sometimes I might have in this one, I'm not sure, put even a couple of maybe one of my labels, something from my antique books. I think I took a flower from one of my digitals and that sort of thing. And then the rest come from the Met Open Access Library and possibly New York Public Library and the Graphics Fairy, what's it called, subscription club, whatever it's called. Okay, so that's design number 1 here. I don't think I included that one. That one's going in another one. Let me see. I did put a lot in this one. I put more than in the other one. I put 2 more. But one, again, is double because I couldn't decide how I wanted it. Yep, that other one's going to go in another kit, I think. So I should go from here. So then I've got this one. This has got antique embroideries and one of my embroideries again on it. And then my similar sort of collagey sort of background. And I'll just find it here on the presentation paper. Here it is. So that's it. It's much brighter on the presentation paper. I absolutely love these. Then there's this one here. With some lovely images. I tried to create them a little bit so there could be some writing on there as well, some of them. But I just couldn't help myself with creating textures and layers and stuff like that. It was a lot of fun. Now, I don't know how many of this sort of thing I'll do, but I really did enjoy it. And that's on the presentation paper. So it's very, very, very nice. Okay, so that's that one. And I love this one, but this is on the regular copy paper. It's the end of the day, you see. Getting tired. And then where's the other one? Here. And then that's on the presentation paper, just from the JPEG, and that's from the PDF. It's quite a different look, isn't it, when they're printed borderless? And then that's the copy paper from the PDF, and then this is one of my favorites. This is on the presentation paper, so you can see some of my antique postcards. It's a beautiful end paper from the Graphics Fairy. They might have come from the New York Public Library. I can't remember. That's from the Graphics Fairy, and that's from the Graphics Fairy. It's amazing. A lot of people were, using the same, from the same people, like to make their kits, but everybody's looks different. I mean, I've designed these. These are really me. I like layers. I love fabric. I love script. So I love, flowers, birds and butterflies. I love labels, as you all know. So I've sort of done them the way, it's just me. It's just what I like. So I hope that you like it. I totally understand if you don't, because it's very me. Okay, and then, oh, that one, no, this is what it's going to be like. I took the blue out. I haven't reprinted it out in the borderless, I don't think. Or have I? You see, I'm getting confused. I've done so many printouts. It just becomes confusing. Oh, that one's not in there. That's going to be in the next one. I'll take that one away, otherwise you'll get excited and it's not there. That one's in there. Sorry, I'm very disorganized, aren't I? Ding dong. Okay. So, yeah, so that I've taken the blue out of the back of that because I liked it cleaner in the back, and I made the writing bigger behind. I think that that might have been from the back of one of my photographs. Then I've got this one here. That's from the PDF. That's from one of my antique postcards. That's also one of mine. And then, oh no, I fixed this problem here. I moved it up because I did create this on the bigger paper. So I have moved this down a bit and that up in the file. So you can see here, it comes up to there now, because so that way it doesn't go off the page, because I did use a bigger page. My next ones I'll do smaller page, I think, otherwise I'll get confused. This is the next one. I think these came from the Graphics Fairy, and that's from the Met Open Access. And then I put a Graphics Fairy paper behind and then another lace over the top. And then that's from the JPEG. Now, this one here, I did it twice. I printed it. That one's not in this one. It's in the next one that I haven't. Think I have to make more pages for. And there's another one. Oh, there's that one printed up again. There we go. I did print it up. Okay, so this one I did twice because I couldn't decide. So you get both. So this is from the PDF, and then this is just from the JPEG. So they're very similar. But I also did it like this, with some lace behind, and I asked Steffi his opinion and he liked both, so I included both. And there's like some of my own script behind and public domain images, and then that's from the JPEG. So that is my next kit. I hope you like it and enjoy it, and I will see you soon. Bye.